Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dzhillan. So today I want to explain to you about applying indirect strategies to learning for language skill by Rebecca L. Oxford book. So first we have to read about what the material we gonna explain in this presentation. First is metacognitive. This is a plain listening test, monitor comprehension and summarize key ideas for learning for a language skill. And then affective. This is use relaxation techniques and positive self-talk to reduce anxiety. And social asks for clarification, practice conversation, seeks peer support. And then example for improving listening skill. Rina. Well, for example, we use a student we name Arena. In university, student applies these strategies. We gonna use metacognitive to listen a podcast twice, take note. And second is affective. Use deep breathing, positive self-talk. And then social discusses with a classmate, join an online group. And then indirect strategies for speaking. Metacognitive set speaking goals, plan conversation, and evaluate performance for student in university who gonna learning a for a language skill in indirect strategies. Effective overcome fear of speaking using relaxation techniques and self-encouragement and social engage in role-playing practice with native speaker seeks feedback. And then example overcoming speaking anxiety. Budi struggle with speaking in English class. Metacognitive prepare a list of topic of the material in class before we speaking practice. So we have to have a list idea about material before we speaking to practice the English learning. And then effective remind himself that mistakes are part of learning. When we speak in practice, we're gonna remind what how many we are do a mistake for learning language. So we have to remind it and uh, take a note so we can improve our learning with a read note. And social join a conversation club to practice in a supportive environment. So you can join club like debate, speech, something like that. So you have a partner to make a conversation. And then indirect strategies for reading. Metacognitive, you can preview text, set a reading goals, summarize key point. Effective, you can manage frustration, maintain motivation, and set achievable reading targets. And social, you can discuss text with peers, teacher, and study groups. Example Example for Lina. Lina find reading English text difficult English text. So in metacognitive, she can do skims and scans before reading in detail. And effective, she can set small reading goals and reward herself after he read the English text difficult. And in social, she can discuss books that difficult books or difficult English texts with friends and ask teacher for recommendation. And then indirect strategies for writing. In metacognitive, we can use plan, draft, or revise written work for clarity and coherence. And effective, we can reduce writing anxiety, stay motivated, break tasks into steps. And then social, seek feedback, collaborate with peers, and study writing models. For conclusion is indirect strategies help learners organize and monitor their learning. Metacognitive, like use list, use plan, use um, prepare before the do for language skill and stay motivated and overcome anxiety are effective. So you can use a song, maybe you can use something sometime break time with the cartoon or the activity they like. You can do that in the break time so you can stay calm and relax when you try to learning English and engage with other for support. You can join the club. You can find a friends to make a conversation, or you can join the community so you can find another person. You can find the many people when they uh, learning English, you can join to them so you can improve your learning skill. And applying these strategies promotes independent and confident in language learning. In social, you can improve your independent and confident in language learning. Thank you. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.